Hello, my name is Helen Kane and I am from the Health Department and I have been asked to do a presentation on the role and responsibility of community and public health. What does community and public health mean? Community and public health means the overall health status of the communities and family. Community and public health make an essential contribution to the community health by helping to improve the quality of life so that the people can live longer, be healthier, and have a productive life. When it comes to public health, this is something that is very central to the people all of the time. It does not matter what part of the world you live in. However, there are people that do not understand how imperative community and public health is in our day-to-day living. By doing research, it can help to prevent diseases and help detect or control of any infectious disease outbreak. In general, public health is concerned with protecting the health of the entire population. In this presentation, I will describe the role of the community public health organizational structure, local and ethnical dimension, funding of public community, and roles of communication. The role of community in public health. The role of community in public health is everyone's responsibility by helping preventing the spread of epidemics, diseases, and by protecting the community population against environmental hazards. The three main functions of public health are assessment and monitoring of the health of the communities and population at risk to identify health problems and priority. Policy development, which is designed to solve, identify local and national health problems and priority. Assurance that all population have access to appropriate and cost-effective care, including health promotion and disease prevention services and evaluation of the effectiveness of that care. Public organization structure. The public health mission is to help promote the physical and mental health of communities and population by preventing the spread of diseases, injury that may occur, and disability. However, not only the community health care delivery system, employer business, and government public health in, infrastructure plays an important role in the public health system and condition of the population health. You also have social, family, and community network behavior factor, health, environment, policy, and condition at the global, national, state, and local level. Even though the responsibility for public health at a level of state, federal, and local government, most authority is coming from the state level for public health. Although federal government have an impact on public health through their funding, setting national policy by providing leadership that focus on health problems as far as state, it helps to protect the public health by enforcing sanitary safety, including codes, inspection by reporting specific diseases to state authorities. While a federal public health interest is within the Department of Human Services, you have other agencies that also are involved in public health, which include U.S. Department of Agriculture, Environmental Protection Agency, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, Department of Veteran Affairs, and Department of Homeland Security. Legal and ethical dimension of public health. When eliminating health disparity, the community needs to organize in countering the legal status, policy, condition, and practice urges health disparity with the human and civil rights. The people have equal opportunity to live their lives as healthy as they can without being discriminated against because of their race, sex, or gender. However, the civil rights have raised and fought against the discrimination that continue to overwhelm the healthcare system. And when it comes to the well-being of the people, it should be the primary concern of our leaders. Funding for public and community health. What is funding? Public funding is when funding that includes government funding receives donation from the public along with other organizations and resources. Public funding normally comes from treasury or assistance with the environmental project, community development, human service, and health organization. However, state, federal, and local government assist with public funding. Role of communication in community and public health program. Communicating with the community is very important. This is a way of informing the people about different ways to improve the health risk. However, some roles of communicating in the community and public health are to increase awareness of health issues, to motivate the community positive attitude towards health issues, to express healthy practice, promote policy on health issues.